Today you will be taking the Darth Vader test of the Star Wars Challenge. Don't forget to do all of your strategies. Each question counts 1 point for correctness and 1 point for strategies. Number 1. The table below shows a sequence of events that led to the formation of sedimentary rock. Which two processes best completes this diagram? Step 1. Process, weather and erosion. Step 2, process, transportation. Step 3, process, deposition. Step 4, you have to determine the process. A, cooling and melting. B, weathering and deposition. C, compression and weathering. D, compression and compaction. Number 2. Pictured below is a glacier moving down a mountain. Which of the following most likely formed by a moving glacier? F, a mountain range. A, a valley. H, an ocean. J, a river. Number 3. Which of these best describes weather? A, average annual temperatures are over 64 degrees Fahrenheit. B, annual precipitation is greater than 150 centimeters. C, warm, dry summers and cool, wet winters. D, a severe thunderstorm watch in the area. 4. Which of these best describes the sun's role in the water cycle? F, the sun produces precipitation for the water cycle. G, the sun produces heat energy, which causes evaporation for the water cycle. H, the sun produces runoff for the water cycle. J, the sun produces heat energy, which causes the salt in the ocean water to dissolve. Number 5. The pictures below show the formation of petroleum. Petroleum is a type of fossil fuel that is formed from organic matter in the ocean. Which of the following is the correct order of the formation of the fossil fuel petroleum? Box number 1, sedimentary rock, oil and gas deposits. 2, ocean 400 million years ago. Box 3, ocean 50 million years ago, sedimentary rock, plant and animal remains. A, 1, 2, 3. B, 2, 1, 3. C, 2, 3, 1. D, 1, 3, 2. Pictured is a sand dune. Which weather condition most likely formed the sand dune? F, rain. G, ice. H, water. J, wind. 7. The diagram below shows rock layers in the Earth's crust. Layer 1 contains many fossils like the one pictured above. Based on the fossil that is pictured, which type of environment was Layer 1 many years ago? A, forest. B, desert. C, ocean. D, tundra. 8. The picture shows a delta that has formed at the mouth of a river. Which statement best explains how the delta was formed? F, sediment from a flowing river is eroded and deposited at the mouth of the river. G, a volcano erupts at the mouth of the river, leaving behind molten rock. H, sediment is deposited at the mouth of a river from strong winds. J, water pressure pushed soil from the flowing river and deposited at the mouth of the river. 9. Which of the following statements about fossil fuels is not true? A, fossil fuels come from the remains of dead plants and animals. B, fossil fuels are non-renewable resources. C, coal, oil, and natural gas are all considered to be fossil fuels. D, fossil fuels were formed in a short amount of time. Number 10. Look at the Venn diagram below. Which statement belongs in section Y? Earth has an atmosphere. Moon is not a planet. Which statement belongs in section Y? F. No weather. G. Has oceans. H. Has craters. J. Has a water cycle. 11. Solar energy heats the Earth's surface and creates the water cycle. Which part of the water cycle causes gases in the air to change into a liquid form? A. Condensation. B. Runoff. C. Evaporation. D. Transpiration. Last question. Question number 12. The Grand Canyon National Park receives close to 5 million visitors each year. Which event below most likely formed the Grand Canyon? F. Weather from wind. G. Glacial movement. H. Earthquake. J. Erosion from flowing water. Remember to make sure you have all of your questions answered by filling in the correct bubble. Remember to be sure to do all of your strategies on each question. Make sure your name is on the top of your paper.